Hello folks, Seamus Payne here of the Binary Hybrid Signals. In this particular video, I'm gonna explain to you the trading rules of the Binary Hybrid Signals live feed system. And as you can see right here, this range of charts right here is for the 5 minutes signals, meaning each candle represents 5 minutes, and the down range here is for 15 minutes signals, and each candle here represents 15 minutes. And let's just proceed to see the trading rules of the 5 minute signals. As you can see, we have white arrows here and price channels. Channels has two magenta lines and two red lines. Now, as you can see here, we don't take such signals here, although we have the arrows here, white arrows here, and as you can see, for 5 minutes they were those three ones were winning, but this one not. And why we don't the trading rules is that we want to see candle touches the magenta or the red line and the arrow is there, and once the body of the candle is touching the magenta line and we got an arrow here, we want to take 5 minutes call here, but it didn't. And if you want to trade this on your own, it would be good. But for high probability trades is that we need, you see here, this bullish candle almost touching the magenta line and the arrow is there, and if we take 5 minutes but we would be in profits. And I also one of the rules is that you stick to the timing, and you need to perfect your trades by taking the trade in the first 20 seconds of the open of this candle in order to be in profit and avoid being if you enter late on the candle, you may get uh, a bad strike rate, and then although the trade is the signal is correct and is winning, you because of the late entry you may have a losing trade. So, and also for here, why we don't want to take such trades here, because almost the candle it really almost touched the magenta line, but it did close very far away of the magenta line. So we don't want to take such signals, because we want to see the body of the candle almost touching the magenta line, but if it did close here, the candle closed here, that would have been a good trade. But as it has this long wick here, long tail here, with the rejection of the price and the candle closed here, this is not a high probability trade. And the high probability trades are like this one. This is a good signal, almost touching the magenta line, the arrow is there, and you take it from here or here. Although this is the market is now not that much volatile, because there were due to recent high impact news, so the market is a little bit messy. And this one has worked here, as you can see. Because I know all that I have said don't take such non-high probability trades, but it has been a good trade. So the main thing is that we want to stick to high probability trades, like this one here. You see candle touched the magenta line and closed below it, and the arrow is there, and take the trade. And even this candle was that much strong, even if you enter late and get a bad answer, it would be in profit when this candle closes. So all of these rules are to avoid getting fake signals. You see this one here, this is a perfect one, as well as this, because although this one is not the volatility is somehow low, but this one is good, as you can see, touching the magenta line, and it has closed deep in profits. So those were the trading rules for the 5 minute live feed.